Hey everybody! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on a green witch inspired look. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so please bear with me. I already have my foundation and concealer and powder on. Yeah, so let's get into it. I will also be using real plants. This is totally optional, you don't have to do that, but I thought it'd be a really cute touch. Make sure you get that hair out your face. I'm going to be starting with just some basic contour. This is just a slightly darker tone than I would normally use. And then I'm going to go in on the eyebrows with this really dark green. This is from a Morphe palette. I'll also be adding touches of black into the dark green just to make the eyebrows really stand out. I'll be using these greens and purple tones for the eyes, starting with a lighter green to cover the entire lid. Now for those purples, that'll be going on the outer and in the crease. Back to these darker greens and a little bit of black as well, just to sort of transition and really make that shadow. Popping a little bit of green under the eye as well. Right, back into the green shades again. I'm going to add that on top of the contour that I've already done. You don't have to do this, but I decided that I wanted my face more green and sort of nature vibes. I'll also be doing the contour for my nose with the green shades. And it's highlighter time! I've got this awesome green highlight just here. As you can see, I really packed it on the brush, but it makes an amazing shimmer and it has that sort of like green tone to it, which is really nice. I'll also pop this highlighter on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and just under the eyebrows as well. So I have this snazzy Bandai Sailor Moon eyeliner. It's like a felt tip kind of thing. Super nice, really pigmented, so I'm just going to go in there and do a really drastic winged liner. Sugar Pill. This is the Pumpkin Spice 2, I believe. It's my first time wearing it, so I was like, whoa! And can't forget the mascara as well. Popping that on. This is kind of where you could leave it if you wanted a not as crazy look, but obviously I'm going to go in and add these leaves and flowers. I'm just using eyelash glue to do that. It's best to try and plan where you kind of want to put the leaves first. And then I've done both putting the glue on my skin first and putting it on the leaves first. Both methods seem to work just about the same, so feel free to do whatever you like. I feel like I should mention as well, all the plants that I collected from my garden, I rinsed and soaked them in water. With a little bit of dish soap in there as well. and I waited a little while and hopefully there was no bugs left over and no yuckiness being glued to my face. I have a bit of a too much gene, so I'm trying to resist coating my entire face in leaves and flowers. To avoid absolutely squishing delicate little flowers, I was using a little makeup brush and just gently dabbing and pushing it onto the glue. I decided as well to pop a little bit of the highlighter on my lids. Right, just teasing up the hair, giving it a little volume. Kids. Like I said, you could not go all the way with the leaves and the flowers, or you could even go next level and enjoy that too much gene and just coat your entire body with all these plants. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this voiceover method has worked. I'll be doing some more videos super soon. Please let me know if there's something you'd like to see, or if this is more of a preferred way to watch a video of mine, and I will see you guys super soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!